Problem is 12 people live on an island. All the islanders individually weigh exactly the same amount except the one who either weighs more or less than the other 11. You must use a seesaw to figure out whose weight is different. You may only use the seesaw 3 times. There are no scales and other weighing devices on the island. Find the odd one out. These are the 12 persons ABCD up to L. 11 are of 10 kg and one is either 8 or 12. We don't know. First weight ABCD versus EFGH. Case 1. If ABCD is greater than EFGH, then what? Greater than means ABCD will be either 10 or 12. They can't be, anyone can't be 8. Because if anyone is 8, then remaining these EFGH would be 10. And this would be less than. So either this 10 or 12. And EFGH can be either 8 or 10. It can't be 12. None of them can be 12. But it also means IJKL equals to 10 because problem is in these. So this will be 10. So second weight what you do is ABCE versus DJKL. Now ABC is either 10 or 12. E is 10 because we know it. Why we know it? Because E is either 8 or 10 but it is greater than. So E can't be 8. So E will be 12. So D will be 10 or 12 but it is less than. So it can't be 12. So D will be 10 and JKL is 10. Already we know over here. If this is the case, then do the third weight, A versus B. Why are we doing A versus B? Because problem is only in ABC now. Remaining all we know. If A is greater than B, A equals to 12. If A is less than B, B equals to 12. If A equals to B, C equals to 12. So case 1 is over. Case 2, ABCE less than DJKL. ABC was either 10 or 12. Now it is less than. Means ABC can't be 12. So they will be 10 only. E can be 8 or 10. We don't know because it's less than. D can be 10 or 12. And JKL we already know 10. So now do the third weight. D versus L. Why D versus L? Because problematic is either E or D. Remaining all we know. Now if D is greater than L, then D equals to 12. If D equals to L means both are 10, then E equals to 8, right? Case 2 is over. Now case 3. ABCE equals to DJKL. It means all are 10. So the problem lies in remaining then. FGH is either 8 or 10. Why FGH can't be 12? Because already it has come from the first case. EFGH was either 8 or 10. It was not 12 because it is less than case we are talking of. So problem is in FGH. So third weight F versus G. If F is greater than G, G equals to 8. F is less than G, F equals to 8. F equals to G, H equals to 8. So this bigger case is over now. ABCD greater than EFGH. Now second case in this. ABCD equals to EFGH. It means all are 10. So the problem lies in IGKL. Either 8 or 10 or 12. Somebody is there. So second weight I versus J. It is either I, J and J are 8 or 10 or 12. We don't know anything. If I is greater than J, that means the problem is in I and J. So KL equals to 10. So I is either 10 or 12 because greater than, and J is either 8 or 10. I can't be 8 and J can't be 12 at all. Now we know KL equals to 10. So third weight is I versus K. So I is now either 10 or 12 and K is 10 we know. So if I is greater than K, then I equals to 12. If I equals to K means both are 10, then the problem is in J. So J equals to 8 because L can't be, L is already 10. We have seen it. It's over here. KL equals to 10. Now case 2. I is less than J. Then KL equals to 10. Again same logic. So I is either 8 or 10. J is either 10 or 12. Right? So the third weight now. In third weight I versus K. Same logic as above. So what happens? Case 1 I is less than K. Then I equals to 8. I equals to K. Then J equals to 12. Then case 3. I equals to J. If equals means it is 10. So I equals to J equals to 10. So K and L are either 8 or 10 or 12. We don't know. So we'll go for third. So in case 3, I equals to j, so k and l are problematic, 8 or 10 or 12. So third weight is now I versus k. So what is the next? K and l are 8 or 10 or 12, and I and j we know 10. If case 1 I greater than k, then k equals to 8. If I equals to k, then L equals to 8 or 12. Now we don't have to find whether L is 8 or 12. We only have to find the odd man out. So we don't want the exact weight of L in the problem. If I is less than k, then k equals to 12, right? So in this way, second case of ABCD equals to EFGH gets over. Now third case, ABCD less than EFGH. So what can be the case now? 8 or 10 ABCD can be. They can't be 12, because if it is 12, then it will be greater than. So 8 or 10, and EFGH can be either 10 or 12, but not 8 can't be here. And IJKL is compulsorily 10, because problem is only in these two now. So second weight is now ABCE versus DJKL. Same logic as the first case. So ABC is 8 or 10, E is 10 or 12, D is 8 or 10, and JKL are 10, we know. If case 1, ABCE greater than DJKL. Now if greater than, it means ABC can't be 8, it will be 12 only. E can be 10 or 12, D can be 8 or 12, 8 or 10, but JKL is already 10, we know. So the problem lies in D, E, these two only. So the third weight now is E versus L. L is known. So E we don't know. Now case 1. E can be either 10 or 12. So E is greater than L. It means E is 12. If E equals to 12 means E is 10. Now if E is 10, then D equals to 8, because remaining all we know. Now case 2. ABCE less than DJKL. Now in this, ABC is either 8 or 10. E is 10. D is 10, JKL is 10. Why E is 10? Because E is either 10 or 12, but it is less than, so it can't be 12, so it will be 10 only. Now ABC is 8 or 10, that's okay. What about DJKL? This is greater than, D is greater than, this side is greater than, so D can't be, D is 8 or 10, but D can't be 8 then, D will be 10 only. Now JKL we already know, 10. So now the problem lies in ABC, solve for ABC only. This is easier. A versus B, third weight. Now if A is greater than B, then B equals to 8, because 8 or 10 only. If A is less than B, then A equals to 8. If A equals to B, then C equals to 8. So case 2 of this ABC less than DJKL is over. Now third case is this. If ABC equals to DJKL. See here, this is among the big case of ABCD less than EFGH. So if these are equal, then what? ABC equals to 10 and DJKL equals to 10. So the problem lies in F, G or H only now. Now FGH can be 10 or 12 only. They can't be 8. Why? Because our big case is what? EFGH is 10 or 12. So FGH can be 10 or 12 only. Again easy. Try for FGH only. F versus G. If F is less than G, then G equals to 12. F greater than G, F equals to 12. If F equals to G, then third H equals to 12. Hence the problem gets solved. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching.